Let's give a pumpkin to talk about. Stick around to learn how to draw a pumpkin. Once you've got your paper, pencil, and coloring tools, let's start by drawing an oval. Next, draw two curved lines on both sides. Looking good! Let's go ahead and draw the stem of the pumpkin. Once you're ready, let's add a leaf. We're all done! Don't forget to color your pumpkin! What do ghosts like on their ice cream sundaes? Whip, scream! Stick around to learn how to draw a cute ghost. Once you've got your paper and pencil, let's start by drawing a half circle. Next, draw the arms. Looking beautiful! Let's go ahead and draw two curved lines. Now, draw a wavy line to connect the bottom lines. Last but not least, let's finish our cute ghost by adding eyes and a mouth. We're all done! What did the black cat say when the dog ate its Halloween candy? You gotta be kidding me! Stick around to learn how to draw a black cat. Once you've got your paper, pencil, and coloring tools, let's start by drawing the black cat's head and ears. To do this, start by drawing a circle for the head and two triangles for the ears. Next, draw two wavy lines inside the black cat's ears. Looking good! Let's go ahead and draw the cat's body. Now let's draw the legs. You can take your time on this step. We can't forget the black cat's tail. Last but not least, let's finish our black cat by adding the eyes, nose, mouth, and whiskers. We're all done! Psst! What is the first thing bats learn in school? The alphabet! Stick around for a simple art tutorial on how to draw a bat. First, draw a U at the center of your drawing paper. Next, draw a bigger U underneath. Next are our ears. We're going to draw 2 upside-down V's. When you're done, connect the ears. Then, draw a line underneath. For the legs, it consists of 2 U's with 2 lines on top. Draw 2 dots for the eyes. Our nose consists of a circle and 2 lines. Then, draw 2 lines on both sides. When you're done, draw 6 lines on both sides. Our last step is to connect the lines. You're all done. Fantastic! What's for dessert at the haunted house? Blueberry pie. Stick around to learn how to draw a haunted house. Once you've got your paper, pencil, and coloring tools, let's start by drawing a horizontal line at the bottom of our paper. Next, draw 4 vertical lines. This will be the foundation of our haunted house. Looking beautiful! Let's go ahead and draw 2 horizontal lines in the middle of our structure. When you're ready, draw 2 small curved lines. Once again, we're going to draw 2 bigger curved lines. You'll start to see our haunted house coming together. Take your time with this step. Let's draw the windows and door. We're almost done. Time to draw the moon to make it spooky. Last but not least, let's finish our haunted house by adding bats in the distance, window panes, and doorknobs for the front door. We're all done! Thanks for joining us and happy Halloween! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.